How to create a variation listing on eBay. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create variation listing on eBay application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the eBay application. If not, go to its official website. And once you're logged in with your account, simply click on the sell option at the top right corner. Once you click on it, select your product, and after you have selected your product, in the next page, you will need to provide the detail of your product which you want to sell on eBay. So as you can see the option of size and color, simply choose the option of drop down box, and now you can choose the particular sizes and color which is available for your product. So that's it. That is how easily you can create a variation listing on eBay. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.